Paw Patrol Alphabet Pre-K Workbook, A through F. Like, share, and subscribe. Hi friends, check it out. I thought it would be fun today to work on this cool notebook that I purchased. It is Paw Patrol Alphabet Pre-K Workbook. There's Chase, who's always on the case, and Everest. All right, are we ready? Oh, who's that? Is that Pete the cat? Pete the cat is right there. But we're not going to do Pete the cat today. He's just there to help me have something stable to write on. All right, let's go. Happy Thursday. And look at it. Who's that? Let's see. Let's name all our Paw Patrol friends before we get started. Who is this? This friend is, does Miss Sadie know? It's Sky. This is Rubble. And we always know Chase. Mr. Chase is on the case. Marshall. Hello, Marshall. And Zuma. Hello, Zuma. Rocky. We cannot forget our friend Rocky. There's our Pup Patrol. Starts out with the letter A. A is the first letter in the alphabet. A for awesome. A for avocado. Do you like avocados? Miss Sadie loves avocados. All right, friends, Ryder's here to tell us to print and trace the uppercase letter A. This right here is an uppercase letter A. This is the mommy A. This right here, friends, is a lowercase a. I like to call it the baby A. A for avocado. Here we go. I'm going to go start at the corner, go up, start at the other corner, go down and across. A says ah. A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. And A says ah. Should I do it one more time? Go up, down, and through the middle. Letter A, big A. A. A, Ryder, A. Good job, he's telling me. Thank you, Ryder. These are words that start with the letter A. I would like to trace each word. Can we say these words together? Let's say them, sound them out, and trace them. Great. Here we go. A, A-I-R. That spells air. That's right. Good job. Air. And the next one is A-W-A-Y. Away. All right. Yes. And the third one is A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. Action. That's right. Like the Paw Patrol, they produce lots of action when they are running to the rescue. All right. Here we go. Now that we said them, sounded them out, and spelled them, we can trace them. Give me an A. Give me an I. Give me an R. What's that spell? Air. Air, like the air we breathe in. What's the next one? Away. I'll take another A. A baby A. W. That's a wavy one. Another baby A and the letter Y. A-W-A-Y. Away. We're going to sail away to a beautiful island. Away. That's using away in a sentence. You can also use away in a sentence like throw the trash away or put your shoes away in the closet. Your mother might have said that to you before. Moving on, remember, the last baby A word is action. Action, action, and the Paw Patrol. A, C, T, I, O, N. action. Now we are going to print the letter A to complete each one of these words. All right, here we go. We're going to put A in every spot. Let's see. A. Now, let's see. Do we remember what sound the letter A makes? A says ah. Mango. Hat. At. All. All. Ball. And, this one says apricot. Apricot is a yummy fruit. We printed the letter A to complete each word. The words we sounded out and printed were mango, hat, ball, and apricot. Good job. Those are big words. Now we're going to move on to the letter B. The letter B. B says ba. B says ba. Every letter makes a sound and B says ba. Here we go. I traced these already. I'm going to go over them with you right now. Are you ready? This is the big B, or otherwise known as the mama bee, and the baby bee, or otherwise known as the lowercase b. We're gonna go down, around in a half circle, and then another half circle. Down, and around, and around. Down, half circle, half circle. Ready? Straight down, and around, and around. So much fun. Tracing the baby bee, the lowercase b. Here we go. It's just a bottom circle and one line. So a straight line and a half circle. Straight line and a half circle. Straight down and around, friends. Straight down and around. Here we go. B, letter B, baby B, lowercase b. Write the letter B to finish the word and then color the boat. I'll have to find some crayons, but for now, let's just finish the word. Is that a boat right there we see? Boat, and O-A-T spells oat. If we want to make that word boat, we're going to have to grab one of our letter B's and put it right there. Are you ready? Let's give it a big B. A big B. B-O-A-T. Boat. Good job, friends. Big B, baby B. And right there, there's our little A. A says ah, that's right. B says boat. A says ah. O says oh. And T says ta. Boat. Great job. Ryder thinks we're doing great too. Thank you, Ryder. Moving on to the letter C. C. Big C, little c. Mama C, baby C. C for car. Car. And O, clock. 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 C says ka. C says ka. Every letter makes a sound. And C says ka. Ka for car and clock. Here we go. Let's do some tracing. It's almost like a half circle. Circle around. Start at the top and go around. We're gonna start at the top and go around. It's almost like a circle, but we're not going to connect it. It's not going to be a full circle. It's going to be a letter C. C for car. 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 C for car. Let's trace a little C, and then we'll try to draw our own. The baby C, or lowercase c, is just a very small version of the large C, or the capital, or what we like to call the mama C. Here we go. baby C. K, k, C, C, little baby C. See how tiny that baby C is? Aw, baby C. It says right here, these words start with the letter C. How exciting. We're going to figure out these words and then we're going to trace them. All right, here we go. Let's spell them. C-U-P. Cup. Cup. That word is cup. Great job. Can you see where the letter C is in that word? That's right. It's the first letter of the word. And we are going to trace it. Letter C. Letter U. And letter P. P. Cup. 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 Old, C-O-L-D. That is correct. That spells cold. I live in Michigan and it gets very cold in the winter. That is using the word cold in a sentence. Ready? C. Remember, we're not going to close it all the way like this O. Oh, no. C-O-L-D. Here we go. Cold. And look at this last letter word we're going to trace with the letter C. It says the letters are C-O-U-N-T, count. That's correct. Are you ready to trace it? Here we go. Letter C, O, U, N, T. Count, like count. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Count starts with the letter C. Let's count the cups. How many cups do you see? 1. 1 cup. 2. That's right. 2 cups. 3. Good job. 4. And what? 5. Yahoo! You can count. You count very well. We counted the cups. The letter C for cups and count. Good job. That was so much fun working on the letter C and counting all those cups. Let's move on to one of my favorite letters, letter D, because D reminds me of my pups. D is for dog and dance. Look who's there's that Rubble. Rubble sure is a cute dog. Here we go. D. Can you tell me where the mommy D is? I see you're saying right there. Correct. And the baby D must be right. That's right there. Good job. See how D goes? D is a line with a big half circle. That's how we're going to draw the uppercase letter D. We're going to draw a line straight down. And then we're going to make a big half circle to connect our line right there. It doesn't have to be perfect. See, Miss Sadie's D is not perfect. Here we go. We're going to try again. At first you don't succeed. Try again. That's right. Here we go. Letter D. Uppercase D. That one's much better. I'm going to try one on my own now. Straight line down. What should I do now? That's right. Thank you for helping me remember. We're going to do a half circle to connect it right there. Good job. Now, friends, what are we going to try to trace? We are going to try to trace our little baby lowercase d. And we're going to do one more. We're going to trace this one right there. A line straight down and then a half circle over on to the right. Straight line down, half circle closer to the right. There you go. This is a baby D. Dig starts with the letter D. Let's see, trace the D and complete the word. D-I-G spells what? Dig. Dig, that's right. Dig. Here we go. Remember, straight line down and a half circle over to the right. An I is a line down with a cute little dot on top. That is a lowercase I. And now the G, the lowercase G. Circle all the way around and down and swoop. D-I-G spells dig, and is this a digger? It is. How fun! Let's see, what do we have here? What's it telling us to do? It says circle the images that have the letter D in their name. Can you help me? All right, here we go. Cloud, 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 duh. Remember, D says duh, duck, duck, quack, quack, duck, and bowl, bowl. All right, cloud. Do you hear the sound D in the word cloud? You do. Correct. Good job. We are going to circle that. Cloud has the letter D in it. Let's see here. Bowl, bowl. Do you think bowl sounds like duh, duck, cloud, dad, dog? It doesn't, you're right. It does not have the letter D in it. What about duck? You're right, duck does. I hear you saying there, duck, duck. Correct. Good jobs, friends. Now we're moving on from the letter D to the letter E. E for who? That's right, Everest. Hello, Everest. Are you going to help us with the letter E? You are. Great. Let's get started. E for egg or envelope or Everest. E or elephant. Ooh, elephant. Are you ready? Let's trace and print the uppercase E. E says elephant, egg, Everest, envelope. E, uppercase E, the mommy E, the baby E, or the lowercase e. It is a line straight down, and 3, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the middle. How fun is that? Yes, an uppercase E is super fun to draw. We're going to trace it again right here. Remember, a line straight down, one at the bottom, and one at the top, and one straight in the middle. I'm going to do one all on my own. Here we go. A line straight down, over at the bottom, over at the top, and one straight in the middle. Thank you. Thank you for telling me good job. You're doing great too. Here we go. It says trace and print the lowercase letter E. Can you see it? There it is, letter E. This is a fun one. It's a tiny little, almost like a snail. You go in and out, over and around. In, up and around. Line straight across, over and around. A line straight across, over and around. Isn't that fun? So much fun, the letter E. And what else do we have here? It says, print the letter E to complete each word. All right, friends, we are going to put a lowercase e right on each line. E, 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 and one more E. Now let's see what look, we have another space right here, an E. All right, ready, friends? Let's try to sound out the word team. Team. Good job. Help. Help. Yay. Oh, this is one of my favorite words. Friend. 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 That's right. Friend. You are my friend. And this is a word for the pups in the Paw Patrol. What do? They come to our rescue. Great job, friends. Thanks, Everest, for helping us sound out and spell those words.